Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make Chicken Sinigang. And here are the ingredients. 5 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 2 red onions quartered, 1 pack of sinigang mix, 8 cups of water, 3 pieces of baby bok choy quartered, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of patis, which is fish sauce, and kosher salt. Let's begin by seasoning the chicken thoroughly with salt. Heat a Dutch oven to high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In batches, sear the chicken for about 5 minutes per side. Now drain all but 1 tablespoon of the fat. Add the water and deglaze the pot by using a wooden spatula to scrape any brown bits of chicken stuck to the bottom. Now add the onions, cover, and bring to a boil. Now add the chicken and bring to a boil. Add the tomatoes and set the heat to low. Now you want to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Now put in the sinigang mix and simmer for about 2 minutes. Now add the patis. Right before serving, turn off the heat and add the baby bok choy. So there you have it, my recipe for chicken sinigang. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.